In this video, you will have 7 questions, each with 2 options to choose from. Don't overthink and answer each question in 5 seconds, and we will tell you about your personality. Let's get started. 1. What would you do in an extremely tough situation? A. Speak truth and face consequences. B. Tell a lie for escape. If you choose A, you are a brave person, and if you choose B, you are emotionally intelligent. Question number 2. What would you prefer in life? A. True love. B. More money. If you choose A, you have deep emotional values. And if you choose B, you are more realistic and practical with less emotional expectations in life. Question number 3. What would you prefer? A. Forget all your memories. B. Keep all your memories with you. If you choose A, you have a painful past. If you choose B, you are a vengeful person. Question number 4. What would you prefer? A. Eat your favorite food for the rest of your life. B. Never eat your favorite food again. If you choose A, you can come out of your comfort zone easily. And if you choose B, you are a person who can easily adapt changes in life. Question number 5. What do you want to have more? A. Good personality. B. Good money. If you choose A, you value character and personality qualities. And if you choose B, you want to have a social status. Question number 6. What would you prefer? A. Never use any social media platform. B. Never go abroad. If you choose A, you are an extrovert and love to socialize. If you choose B, you are an introvert and love spending time alone. And here is the last question, question number 7. What would you prefer? A. Always want to be happy. B. Always want to enjoy all the feelings. If you choose A, you are emotionally weak. And if you choose B, you are a strong person ready to face hard situations. For such more interesting questions and facts, subscribe to the channel.